Hello mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Another day, another vlog, another travel here dito lang sa Dammam, Saudi Arabia. At ito po muli si Justin Reyes Vlog na nagsasabing enjoy lang as always. For today's video guys, we're here now in Dammam kung saan tayo susubukan natin yung salad here. So let's go guys!
It's hard to understand me, but I keep my own boundaries. Why won't they do the same? I'm tired of being the nice guy. I know I shouldn't be the one complaining right now. I'm the one who did this to.
So guys, welcome to and salad. Ayun guys, for mixing for salad, for healthy living actually. For eggs and salad. Well, for Masai salad is very nice actually. Yes. Very nice actually. Very amazing, you know, you can choose only your own product. Guys, this is how you make a salad and make your order. So, makit ka na. Actually, mag-fix ka lang dito. Like here. Mag-fix ka lang pa ang gusto mo. Like for example, okay. Kasi gusto ko ng beetroot. I like also the cucumber. So, for sa you fix the final and then punta ka lang doon sa cashier. So, sinurprise niya ako. Talaga naman. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy
Thank you.
birthday to you.
Thank you so much. Nagpa-surprise naman. Ayun, thank you Sir Vin for this one, for the surprise. Nakaka-shock naman. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, guys. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Birthday ni pa-surprise naman.
Mga vlogger, so
Ayun, thank you for this one, for the surprise. Nakaka-shock naman. Thank you.
Welcome. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Yes,
Okay.
Sir Vince, thank you so much for this. Actually, napaka-amazing. Nagulat din ako. Thank you for this surprise. So, may message. More blessings, more travel, healthy, and that talaga is together.
yes, a blessing.
Salamat, Sir Vince.
Yes. Good. Happy birthday sa ating travel buddy na si Jazz. See you on the next vlog. More travel to come. Thank you.
So guys, thank you. This is my order for today. Thank you so much sa salad or this, sponsor.
Wine and salad.
Uh,
Gift
for
for your birthday.
My birthday, my God. So ano talaga, na-shock ako. So, eat.
Thank you and salad.
Guys, let's eat. Let's eat that salad.
Biyaya, may birthday gift from and salad.
Yes, napaka-amazing. Perfect. So guys, magsasart na po ang aming kain for today's video. So, samahan niyo po kami para kumain celebration at saka biyaya. You know, kasama pa rin ng ating ka-blessings. So, nagsama po kami ulit. And salamat sa surprise service. And of course, kasama pa rin si Abu. Pagkabali natin si Abu.
Time is precious.
Serving sa yung friend ko, hindi nakakalimutan. Talaga may surprise talaga. Alam ko kakain ka. Di ba may pa-cake pa talaga siya. Yeah. Ay, sa akin salad na kaya ay pero ibang French. Tansa. I-google lang yan. Pagpiliin tayo ngayon at yung tabi. Brian. Bibigyan lang muna na nakalayo si Aki. Kita ko lang siya. Perfect, amazing. Saka ito yung chicken. I think you can taste what it is. So kayo nakakagaling. Dalawa kain mo yun kung ano yung So, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel, and this is Justin Reyes Vlog again. And nagsasabi ko sila as always, and see you for my next vlog. And don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. So, see you for my next vlog. Bye-bye!